On Friday, an appeals court in Florida threw out 2 of the 4 convictions against Casey Anthony for misdemeanor counts of lying to detectives. Here's ABC News with more.
Anthony was acquitted of killing her daughter Kaylee in 2011. The appeals court judges, however, just ruled that 2 of the charges constituted double jeopardy, or being convicted more than once for the same crime.
Those charges came from statements Anthony made on July 16, 2008 to an Orange County detective who was investigating the disappearance of Kaylee. Jurors determined that Anthony lied when she told detectives she worked at Universal Studios, that she had left Kaylee with a babysitter who kidnapped the girl, and that she told 2 friends about her daughter's disappearance, and that she had received a phone call from Kaylee. The state argued that each of Anthony's false statements constituted a separate offense, so there was no violation of double jeopardy. According to the Orlando Sentinel, Anthony's defense made 2 main arguments. The appeal court rejected one, that Anthony was under arrest when she lied to authorities searching for her daughter in 2008. Though she had briefly been handcuffed and put into a sheriff's office vehicle, the panel said, "We conclude that a reasonable person in Anthony's position would not believe that his or her freedom was curtailed to a degree associated with actual arrest." CNN reports in one of the most infamous cases in years, Anthony was tried in 2011 and acquitted of murder charges in the death of her daughter Kaylee. The child was last seen June 16, 2008, but was not reported missing until July 15, 2008, when Casey Anthony's mother tracked her daughter down and demanded answers regarding Kaylee's whereabouts. Investigators searched for the child for 5 months, eventually finding Kaylee's skeletal remains in the woods less than a mile from her grandparents' Orlando home. After the original trial, Casey Anthony served time followed by a year of probation, and her whereabouts have been kept a secret since she was released. Of the overthrown conviction in appeals court, Casey Anthony's lawyer said they will keep fighting. For Newsy, I'm Jasmine Bailey, multiple sources, The Real Story.